loves, thanks for tuning in to CYBTV. This is Cherish. So yes, as you were able to tell by the title, I am switching up my look. So I will be doing this fun little transformation, and yeah, I just felt really 90s. Like I felt blonde, I felt, you know, T-Boss feels, I felt Mary J feels. I just really wanted to just kind of try something different, and this is like super platinum blonde. I've had my hair dyed like a blonde, goldish, brownish, you know, type of color, but this is like super platinum, and I actually really like how it looks on my skin tone. But I wanted to really try a short pixie cut. I've had my hair cut short like this before, but I did do like bangs and a fringe, so I really like this, you guys. I mean, I worked it out, trust me. You will see the full process and how I just went about this little fun hair and makeup thing, okay? So keep on watching to the end, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button, and also press the bell notification so you will be notified for when I post new videos. But let me stop talking and let's get into this video. Alright, you guys, so if you were wondering, no, I am not going to cut my hair or dye my natural hair. So I am just going to show you exactly how I achieve this hairstyle. I'm just going to start out by putting my hair into a ponytail. I am not going to do no cornrows or anything like that. I'm going to keep it really basic and simple. Then I'm going to use this bobby pin to pin it up. And as you can see, I am going to be using some fake hair. This is just regular braiding hair. You can get any color pretty much. Go to your local beauty store or go online. But I went on and cut that in half, and now I'm just going to use this Dream Love wig cap. This is actually the color brown, so it's for darker tone people like myself. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this on, or try to. It's actually kind of hard, but I went on and put that on, and now I'm going to use this Dream Love wig net. Now these are really good quality wig caps and nets. As you can see, it fits really well. It's durable. It's not like thin. And also on the top of the cap, you can notice that it's no extra fabric. There's some that you will have like that extra fabric tube coming up, but this is actually flat. So you want to get flat ones. And now I'm just going to go ahead and use this braiding hair. And I feel like since it's going to be a short hairstyle, it's best just to cut it again. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm cutting the hair in half. And now I'm just going to take little pieces. And you already know, if you've been watching my videos, I am in love with crochet styles. I figured you can do pretty much any style you want with the crochet technique. So that's what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just going ahead and using the latch hook and putting this hair onto the net. And if you're noticing why I have the wig net or the wig cap underneath the net, it's so my natural hair will not get tugged by doing this crocheting. Okay, so I just want to make sure my natural hair is not getting pulled. So that's what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just doing the regular old crocheting technique, and I'm just gonna do this until I fill up the whole net. And you can make it as thick as you want. The good thing about this type of technique when making like a quick weave or a quick wig, you do not have to kind of make it really dense. If you style it right and properly, you can disguise the net and make it look full without having to use a lot of hair and spend a lot of time. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just kind of skipping around, strategizing, making sure I fill it up to where when I style it, it looks full. So yeah. Now you guys, I am pretty much finished. I know it's looking crazy. I am looking crazy. But now I'm just going to go ahead and just clip away this really bad strags. and I'm gonna begin the styling process. So I'm going to straighten the hair out using my flat iron on very low heat. You do not want to burn the hair, so make sure you want to test the hotness of the flat iron before you put it on this fake hair, okay? And now I'm just gonna straighten out this fake hair, you guys, and voila, still looking a little cray-cray. I'm gonna fix this cap, and then we're gonna get into all of the styling. Okay, so I'm just gonna start cutting and chopping and pretty much getting the form. Honestly, when doing this, I knew I wanted a short like pixie cut and everything, but when I style hair and I cut hair, I pretty much just cut at it and just let my creativity and everything flow. So I'm just kind of just doing that, cutting it. I am using certain techniques, of course, like the 45-degree angle cut, 80 degrees, and all of that type of angles and everything, just to get like the graduation I want in the back and the cute little bump. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just chopping away. And then after I'm pretty much done using the shears, I am gonna go ahead and use the thinning shears. So the thinning shears are just like a razor, but it's in form of like shears like this. And I just literally thinned the crap out of this wig. So that's what I did after using shears. I just went on and thinned it out to my liking. And once I got the basic shape down and the style I wanted, I used this coconut. I love OGX Organics products, but I used the coconut serum on my hair, and then I'm just gonna style it a little bit more with the flat iron. And once I got that down, now all I'm going to do is spray on some hairspray. Just because this hair is fake, it doesn't really have much body, so I'm going to spray on the hairspray and then wrap it down just so I can maintain the shape I want. And now, you guys, it is the makeup time. I mean, this style is not complete until you put your makeup together. Well, for me, I believe that. I feel like makeup and hair goes together. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just getting this makeup together. So I'm showing you guys how I'm applying my makeup for this look. And it's pretty going to be explanatory. So yeah, keep on watching to the end. And yes, honey. Woo! Now I am finished, and now it's time for the big reveal all together. Yes. If you guys like how this look turned out, just the hair and the makeup and everything, be sure to thumbs this video up and subscribe if you haven't already, and also press that bell notification for more makeover videos that I will be doing on myself and others. Bye.